If we're really serious about reducing our carbon footprint, governments have to lead the way, but there's way too much focus on the federal government and gridlock here in Washington and legislation coming from the Congress. Small is beautiful. Check out what one town in New England is doing as an example.
Years ago, we had about 5 machines operating and 5 windmills here in Portsmouth. And right now we have this machine here. We have one at the Portsmouth Abbey, one other machine in a private location down there. We've got plans for 2 more, but pretty soon we'll go back to the future and we'll be up to 5 machines in our town. First one operational in March of this past year, 2009, and over the approximately 9 months, we generated probably more than 50% of the energy that our municipal load represents. We generate electricity here, which goes into the National Grid network, and National Grid, through a meter that's located to my left behind us here on the power poles, monitors the amount of energy that we put out, and they keep track of that to the end of the month on a monthly basis. And then the value of that is converted into a check, which is delivered to our town.
This is a computer terminal we have here at Town Hall. There's a similar setup over at the fire station to help us to monitor performance of the wind turbine. The red line is the power that's being generated at this moment. You can see we're 775 kilowatts or so.
Every bit of energy that our wind generator produces into the network, it's a little bit less energy that the coal-fired plant has to produce. So what we do is we reduce the amount of energy necessary from a coal plant, which reduces the amount of carbon that's being dispelled into the environment. I feel terrific about it. I mean, it's like a dream come true. We worked about 4 years from start to finish to get the machine up. I think a lot of us felt like it was a little miracle that we got it done.
Nice to see towns doing something, and it's not just hot air. What's going on in your community? What are the ideas and the innovation you see taking shape? We'd love to know. Share it around. People can learn from it. So make your case at planetforward.org.